Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making an amazing salami and fennel pizza on the Karma 32 from WPPO. So let's get the pizza oven started up, and this is how I do it. Stack a couple of sticks of pecan wood on top of each other, insert a fire starter, light it on fire, and when you have a good fire going, you can add a couple of additional sticks. For this recipe, you want the pizza stone at 800 degrees Fahrenheit, so it will take about 45 minutes to an hour to heat up the pizza oven. Because we're getting the pizza oven so hot, we're using the Urban Slicer Neapolitan pizza dough mix for this recipe. While we're waiting for the pizza oven, it's time to prepare the fennel. And you want to start by removing the fronds from the fennel stalks. For the next step, we're going to cut off the bottom part of the fennel bulb. Then we're going to cut it into half. We're also going to remove the core because it doesn't cook very well. And then finally, we're going to slice it into thin slices using the mandolin. Set aside 2/3 of the fennel slices and put the remaining third into a bowl. Then you want to add the fennel fronds into this bowl. You also want to pour about half a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil into the bowl and squeeze half a tablespoon of lemon juice into the bowl. We also need to season this with a little bit of salt and pepper. The pizza oven is now up to temperature, so it's time to shape the dough balls into 12-inch pizzas. Then we're going to start to add the toppings, and first put down a layer of Urban Slicer's pizza sauce. Next, we're going to top the pizza with a cheese blend consisting of mozzarella cheese, unsmoked provolone, and fresh Asiago. Then we're going to add quite a few dry salami nuggets, and then we're going to sprinkle it with the fennel slice. The pizza is ready to bake, so put it in the oven, and now we're going to bake it for between 2 to 3 minutes. Halfway through, you want to rotate it, and just before it's done, dome it for a couple of seconds, and then remove it from the pizza oven. Now we want to season it with our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. Last but not least, we're also going to top the pizza with some of the lemon olive oil marinated fennel slices. And then it's ready to serve. And that is how I make my salami and fennel pizza on the Karma 32 from WPPO. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. The contrast between the marinated fennel and the baked fennel, and then you have the fatty salami on top of that. It's a really good combination. I hope you try it at home. Happy grilling.